Chapter 11, Yoga for Beginners. Health and Fitness. Stage 1, Forward and Backward Bending. Forward bending. While exhaling, bend your head forward slowly. Straighten the neck. Backward bending. While inhaling, bend your head backward as much as you can. Stage 2, Right and Left Bending. Right bending. While exhaling, bend your head to the right. Bring your ear as close as possible to the shoulder without raising the shoulder. Straighten the neck. Left bending. Similarly, while exhaling, bend the head to the left side. Stage 3, Right and Left Turning. Right turning. While exhaling, gently turn your neck to the right so that your chin is in line with the shoulder. Straighten the neck. Left turning. Similarly, while exhaling, turn your neck to the left. Stage 4, Clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation of neck. Clockwise head rotation. While inhaling, slowly rotate your head clockwise in a circular motion. Exhale while coming down and complete a full rotation. Anti-clockwise head rotation. Similarly, rotate your head anti-clockwise.